Yeah, hello everybody. This is the profit from the robot. $41, $41, $41, guys. $41 just for a day profit from a account of $500 account, guys. Look at what the robot has done today. Look at all the PS the robot has done today. Look at it, guys. Look at it, guys. Stop loss is automatic. Take profit is automatic from the robot. Everything is set perfectly, working nice. I mean, how can I just see a bad place and want to push you guys to it? This is real, man. This is real, man. You are seeing it with your own eyes. You are seeing it with your own eyes. You can never argue with results. You can never argue with results, guys. I mean, this is just for a day profit. A day. This is today. Now let's look at a week profit, just 5 days. Market open from Monday to Friday. Look at this, just 5 days. 5 days, guys. 5 days. This is over $200. Over $200. Over $200. This account was deposited on the 19th of July. On the 19th of July. 19th of July, and up to today, August 6th. Look at it, guys. You see it now. You see it with your own eyes. Look at it, guys. Deposited was $500 and the profit was, this is over $300. The account balance now was sitting at over $800. Almost doubled. Account is almost doubled, guys. Account is almost doubled, guys. I just received another new client account today and the robot has been installed. Let me show you. Yeah, this is the account. I just installed the robot this evening. It is a new account. It is a real account. And it is one of my client accounts. You can see the name. You can see it's a real account. We are not showing you a demo account here. It's a real account. The robot just got installed this evening and it's already making close to $5. So guys, it is what it is, guys. It is what it is, guys.